You see, Jaden know exactly what he do because he want to get to your Dyema. Jaden want to figure it out business to boss and he want it to be bossed by you. And I tell you this long ago, Dyema, but you not listen, you not see. And figure it out, we do anything to stay relevant. You have to understand. Mr. Keaton, Dyema voice. Look in the car, Dyema. Lord Jesus have mercy. We don't leave Dyema alone. What a whole heap of things that we talk about. We don't know what we talk about first. Because we forget the mix up going at soon night. Part of night already. At 9 now and the day is still light. Dyema, come here, let me reason with you little. You see when time Marvin has to speak your mind, speak your mind. What do you think about Marvin? Marvin a handicap in a Zola. Marvin have a little hard look for me now. Because we are come down the line because we are going to go to Rosalie and her daughter. Right? We are come down the line. Marvin have a little retarded look for me. So in time Marvin said, Dyema for speak her mind. Dyema speak your mind. You know what always a shake you, girl? I tell you what always a shake you. You always a keep loyalty for some dirty people who are shake you. Let me tell you the attitude of figure it out. Figure it out is following Jaden. Figure it out is going after the energy of Jaden. Let me say this to you. It's the same way Jaden did one class here. It's the same class in Figure It Out one come with. Figure It Out don't have no reason to come at you. And let me say this, Dyema, you're not hearing. Sometimes you have to make people know how far you can go. You see when I shut down Jaden, Jaden would never play with me again. You never know. Jaden would have never ramp with me again like when play with Shay. Come in and make them little boy, they know have nothing about me. You understand? Because them go and let them know about you too much. And you need to stop, Dyema. And you alone to keep loyalty for man. What is man that those should be mindful of? You have to keep loyalty for God. You know, to keep loyalty for man. Jaden is too rude and Figure It Out is too out of order. He might follow Jaden. A Jaden energy he might go after. You don't play them game there with no careless boy. Yeah, you not play them game there with no careless boy. Because at the end of the day, you could have the whole of them in a bungle. Yes, like being a man. Man, for you have enough girl and girl in a bungle. You could have the whole of them. Them for put respect for your name. And as old as you want to be, young boy always around you down. Sometimes I wonder if you're a nanny McPhee or you're a nana. It's just the truth, Dyema. Whether we like it, yes or no, we can't class it and tell you anything come out of our mouth. But the truth remains. Yeah, because they might take press and program. He's taking press and program. So you see, like when I play a dear game, I'm dearer than him and nobody not have to dare me. I will dare myself. Because from a young me, I play by myself. Oh, I say girl and boy, we grow in a family and company and group and crowd. Them used to play with people when them young and when them get big, them a play with themselves. Not by themselves, with themselves. Them not stop finger and jerk and fist. It's just the truth, my baby. It's just the truth. You make them get away with too much things. That's why they will always trample you. And at the end of the day, they don't have the name out the road. And you have the name out the road. But them are going to let them threaten her. Them make them threaten you, tell me. If them threaten you, tell me. Because you know before we use bad man, we use authority. Anyway, all the cops can please you, then we take it to the streets. You know how we roll. I'm willing to be a police Peggy at any given time. You can't stay there. Oh. He might play with you too much for your careless boy. Because he might follow Jaden. Dyema, listen to them hear you on TikTok liar live, you see. I said, Dyema, it hurt me. It hurt my fear, it hurt my fear, it hurt my fear, it hurt my fear. You ask the woman for you. And all the way I go get your just reward. And all the way I go get justice from the app, Dyema. And this you need to know. And all the way I go get justice from the app. So when you sit on a wait from the app, you know, call you switchy or whatever, informer or whatever. Dyema, you're lucky. You know nobody on the internet. At the end of the day, you have you alone. At the end of the day, it's you alone, Dyema. So when you're busy, you ask about, I don't see you will never get it. Number one, you look better than enough of them and active more than enough of them. Because some of them in them 30s and full like ear campaign and for rub up with Bengay. You can't stay there. I say go in your church. Go in your church. You walk and look justice some for the if you're not go in your church, find an altar. And it's just the truth, it hurt me. Them boy you not have nothing for you. You don't see same a follow back. You don't see same take press him have him own concept. Yeah, it's just the truth. It's just the truth. Them it hurt me. It hurt me for hear them dirty teeth boy you come and style you. It hurt me them boy in a beard. Them veneers stink and them braces rusty. I show them my war. I show you pick your battle yourself. Because at the end of the day you walk and look friend from the whole of them. I don't know what it me say when I see with pan live with Jaden. I say them I'm one class but when I remember say me a schoolmate. Now as high. It hurt me, see? It hurt me. When the class Ivani, when the tell Ivani say she have the whole of almond barracks in her belly, when the tell her say in a she them pants pension, when the tell her all of them something, them a go on man. The body now say if you come and bust it beer down, you know. But sometimes if you just make a boy get a inch, him swallow a mint. Yeah. Sometimes if you make a boy get a inch, so him go suck a mint. Me now ask you. Not them little careless, dirty thinking, nasty boy, you're not supposed to have no toll upon you. Because them the highway, them a valley, them low, them deep. Ask them batty. Dyema, it hurt me, I said, girl, it hurt me. It hurt me when I sit down and I see it. It hurt me, and him not willing to protect the Dyema. Oh, him not willing to protect Dyema. For them body have history and story. For them body can keep a production. I will talk some things in about make it catch because I'm my war. I will talk some things because with them I cover up everybody know. We are cover up everybody know, so by the time you're ready for bust it a still secret. Oh, Ivan knows always a HR. She allergic to silver. Tell her to take out them bull and Ivan in a trouble, me not so maybe leave the child alone. Yeah. And the IG for go pan Dyema. And the IG for go pan. Somebody can bother check IG with the pan TikTok. When you get a chance to talk, you talk. Yeah, come and post. Go on your Dyema. And them some of my fight all my friend them, you know. I'm upset. I'm upset because them are still. I say I want to ask them which church they go. I want to ask her denomination. And that I want to ask them. I want to ask them your denomination. Because I don't know how you work and keep loyalty for people who for batty bus tear and bite. Eh? You can't make them boy. You see, Jaden know exactly where I do because he want to get to your Dyema. Jaden want to figure it out business for boss and he want it to be bossed by you. And I tell you this long ago, Dyema, but you now listen, you now see. And figure it out, we do anything to stay relevant. You have to understand batty people. You will do anything to stay relevant. What do you mean them are too old for this behavior? And them are troll the child. And surely not come with age, Joe Beach, my baby. Surely not come with age, my baby. So it's either she put on her foot from early. And if Dyema is too old for this, that means her foot should have been done long time. Dyema should have stand up on them boy, they flat footed and stop tip. You're a ballet dancer, you don't have good calf. Yeah. Put on your foot long time. You know, see, me not make Jaden run a joke with me. Because when Jaden come about, she better go suck your mother. Me have a mother and brother and sister can suck. Me have options in a sucking. But him have options in a sucking? No. That's why I have to put him in the corner and make him know, say, hey, you're a babe. So you're depend the suckling. You're a babe. Go in your corner. You know, see, not even say nothing about me. Him not even look my way again. What does that say? Put on your foot, Dyema. Not even 75-year-old people all again. How you treat your body, my love. Them say age is just a number, your body for good. And just your body for good. Me not look on you in a damn shit. You talk about she look old. Me not look on you because if you take off your dress, the whole of your age in your pum pum, because your pum pum wrinkle like used file paper. So me not look on you. Oh, but Dyema look old. You have never seen Dyema in person. When you see Dyema in person, then you come back, come talk to me. Dyema no look old in person. Dyema look better than your daughter. Because your daughter favor raindrops. And don't laugh on program to come, me take it to art and block you. Me buy out Dyema war, me take it to art and block you. Me not ask you. So be careful, tread light over yourself. You hear? Tread light over yourself. Me take it to art and block you. Maybe if me never see Dyema in person before, then me da make you pass. But like how me see her, when you see her, you make me know. Because when you take off your dress and I need to crush up, you know, and I need to can't wait for wrinkle, and I need to come like shame old lady. Yeah? So me the whole of a reason. But Dyema for put on a footman for them careless people here. And Dyema for stop up on live with Jaden. I tell you this Dyema, I'm going to tell you again. Stop doing live with Jaden. Jaden have no respect for nobody because guess what? Nobody never respect him back then. So he's taking a revenge. Stop up on live with Jaden. You don't need Jaden because Jaden is a nobody. Literally. You don't need him. Jaden is a nobody. Stop up on live with them and make them steal your energy. I'm going to tell you this over and over. And if you have understanding, because figure it out, I got for Jaden's energy. He's going off his energy and he will dare figure it out for do things against you because he knows say you're going to come and Jaden want to bust it up and figure it out, you know. But him no want to be the one for bust it up. From you see figure it out, switchy, you know say it's a little job prior that. And he thinks that everything he do is so funny. It is so funny and all him do is tear down people, take them on him program and tear them down. There's an easier way to tear down people, you know, you can't turn on your life and not accept nobody and tear down them. You see it hurt me, you see you don't need them little dirty shit house there. You can't steal them and them not like you. Them don't like you, nobody not have to pretend with me. I will pretend with myself. Nobody not have to pretend with me. Boy we stuck on them bed can't argue with me, you know. And no boy who me have to send go brush them teeth cause them mouth smell like them did a damn shit could never style me. Oh, enough is enough. Don't make them get the best of you. You see when the people talk, you see them a long time you say that. I'm kind of jaded now. A long time you say if you ever talk. When you talk and done, backside old man. You inter boy, you make a boy know say you come strong. You inter boy. I make a boy know say, hey, me have a post bare things about your all. Yeah. Me have a post pure things about your good all. Give him credit too when you bring him down. Give him credit. Yeah. Exactly, say fair. I just the fair me want him say. Yeah, kill them all and done. Me don't know what Dyema do. The whole of them beneath Dyema. Them boy are on a body. Them boy are on a body. Them on a body. One time in a boy catch up in a, and I can't take him forward no more now. I just back him down and say cough. I say cough. Then tell them I have the Walter PKK Saturday night special and unfair. I say cough. Yeah. I say call to somebody out the road. Call to one of your brethren them. Just wave. Do something. Because I want to have a reason. Yeah, come from screen a ball, but I mean not get no justice. You will never get justice if you continue like that. After me not come on the app for look justice. Me not come on yourself for look justice. Me not the baddest thing, you know. I'm number one, me not even bad. But sometimes me can't take too much pressure. Me can't take it front way, me only can't take it back ways. Oh. And no boy when I send and cocky pa me can't style me. No boy when I send and cocky pa me can't style me. You mad? When for style me after me not style in jail. Me ear ever look like Isley brother, is it? Oh, after me now walk and my curls them a drip. It exactly look like audition there for Justice League. Yeah, come boy, you not get no justice. Sometimes you have to look your own justice, my baby. Sometimes you gotta look your own justice. Me no know what she look for from them. Because him could have never style me. And him veneers them never got a dentist from them put in. Number one, him teeth never did bleach. Him natural teeth them never did bleach before him put on them there. So figure it out, I walk with a odor in him mouth. One year man, I try your fighting a Dyema. I try you create them avenue here for yourself. Me can't even walk go down because no street light now there. Me don't want no more boy drive my way. Lord, I full up. Me don't want no more boy drive my way. I try here fight them, I mean I run them joke here. You go like you walk a big friend from them people here. I mean not see none of them a spoil your bar. Me not see none of them a spoil your bar, Dyema. Don't all of them a play hypocrite with you. And you sit down there bar, me never shed no tear. Never shed not one tear. You mad. You mad. The worst like come there so I fight mosquito. You know this visa gear why I never travel to Portmore. I never know how this visa do you. Else me just stop at Portmore, you know. Yeah. Can we just a clap select me in a convention? It's just the truth. So come in a Dyema tomorrow we pick up at the rest.